Cesaria dancing doping best to begin. Jaden Diamond in between horses comes Bay Area Babe. Islam Shots is racing in fourth and in fifth position. Suerte lang then followed by Touch of Class. Milady's Lane comes next. My Wife Doesn't Know. And Ho is racing in this. Jaden Diamond still in front by only half palinga. Then here comes Dancing Doping now coming closer on the outside second. 3 lengths away in third. Bay Area Babe, Slum Shots in fourth. As they come there at the last 50. Jaden Diamond, Dancing Doping moving up. Bay Area Babe on the outside. But it's still Jaden Diamond. Bay Area Babe moving up on the outside. Bay Area Babe, Jaden Diamond, Islam Shots, suerte lang. But it's still Jaden Diamond, Bay Area Babe is on the outside. Islam Shots, and finally close finish. Slum Shots, Jaden Diamond, then comes Swerte lang, Bay Area Babe.